Hello, guys, and welcome. I hope you all are doing well. So, guys, in today's video, I'll let you know about joyassist.com website reviews. In today's video, you will get to know that whether this website is a legit website or not. Before I start, I would like to mention that this video is a purely unbiased video, as this website does not belong to us. Talking about the website, let us know first what it is all about. So guys, this website is an online shopping store which majorly deals with baby products, and here are the images of some baby products they have displayed. This is the home page of the website, and as you can see, the images of different products they are providing you here. So guys, as you can see, they are very beautiful and attractive, and the pricing is also reasonable. So these are some blankets, and yeah, they are beautiful again. These are some diaper bags. So guys, this was about the home page of the website. Now let us see the about us page. As you can see guys, they are not providing you any about us page, which is quite suspicious on their part. Now let us see the menu section of the website. As you can see, menu section is divided into different categories based on the different products they provide you with. Let us see baby blanket section of the website. So guys, here are some baby blankets, but again they are repeated here. We have already seen these images on the home page, which is not good. And yeah, you can see the number is limited to 18 only, so they do not provide you any variety here. Now let us see the baby beanbag section. So guys, here you can see again same images are provided, and yeah, items are limited to 6 only, which is a really disappointing sign on their part. So guys, you can see more product by clicking on different section under menu option. Now coming to their contact details. Here are contact details. You can shoot a mail at given email address, or you can make a call at given phone number. They are also providing you their office address. So guys, these are some contact details. Now let us see the return policy. Here you can read about the return policy, and yeah, you can return your product after 30 days of receiving it if you are not satisfied. You can read here to know more about their return policy. Talking about their shipping policy, we came to know that they generally take 1 to 3 business days to get their product shipped. However, it may take 5 to 8 business days in some cases. So guys, can read more about it here. Now talking about the social media presence, here you can see some icons, but guys, these icons are fake, as they do not take you anywhere to the website page on the social media platform, and this website does not show any social media presence, which is a scam sign on their part. So guys, do share your reviews if you have any experience of this website with us in the comment box. Now talking about the advantages, we came to know that this website has a valid SSL certificate, which is a good sign, but it does not always mean that a website is a legit one. Moreover, it wasn't detected under any blacklist engine, which is again a good sign. However, coming to the disadvantages, we came to know that this website does not show any customer reviews, and it has low popularity. Moreover, it shows low trust index on Web of Trust, which is again suspective. And coming to the domain name, the domain name of this website is only 4 months old. That is again too new to be trusted. Giving a final verdict, guys, I won't give you a thumbs up to buy anything from such suspicious websites. Although I couldn't declare this website as a scam one, as it is too new to be trusted, but I won't suggest you to buy anything from it. I hope today's video was a lot informative for you. Guys, do subscribe to this channel to know more about such websites online and help yourself save your money. Do share this video with your friends and family to help them get aware of such scam websites online. And yeah guys, do share your reviews in the comment box. Do like this video. Thank you for watching today's video.